Manufacturing 4.0 will create great wealth for the leading manufacturing companies. Unfortunately, the technological change is also accompanied by unwanted consequences. In this study, we are most interested in the expected changes on labor market concerning waves of unemployment. The study is based on expert interviews with 9 leading experts from Germany, the Netherlands and South Korea. Those are all traditionally very strong manufacturing countries. We asked the experts on their opinions and views concerning strategies for adaptation to the negative sides of manufacturing 4.0. To learn more about their answers, please take a look at our article.